And when it comes to this special season and this different time in our generation, I believe that our church has been called to break barriers. Us as individuals has been called to confuse categories, wreck paradigms, upset prejudices. What we've got to realize is we've got to stop considering it common what we experience in the natural every single day. You see, when opportunity meets obedience, miracles happen. And how are we being obedient to the voice of God in this current situation we are in? You see, our church and us as a body has not been shaken. Psalm 16:8 says, I keep my eyes always on the Lord, and with him at my right hand, I will not be shaken. You see, faith is about allowing God to set the direction of your life without seeking the details. Faith doesn't eliminate fear, it enables you to handle it. Because we can be so certain in one breath and so confused in another. God doesn't casually tell us to not be afraid, yet he says, do not be afraid, for I am with you. His voice is calling every single one of us today, in this moment, right now.